Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert a QIF file to QBO format and import into QuickBooks for Mac. We will use QIF to QBO converter for Mac, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start QIF to QBO and select a QIF file. We will use sample QIF file for this conversion. The converter shows QIF transaction details like date, amount, name, memo, check number. Before converting to a QBO file, we have to set QBO parameters. INTU.BID value defines bank label you see during QBO import, and it has to be from allowed bank for the account type you convert. Click the lookup button to locate your bank. Make sure that your bank, the selected bank, is allowed for the account type you convert. If you convert for checking account, make sure the checking is listed. If you convert for credit card, make sure credit card is listed as supported account type for the bank label you choose. If your bank is not listed or not allowed for specific account type, you can choose any other bank like Wells Fargo Bank and INTU.BID value 3000. Before converting, check the account type. Sometimes QIF files have incorrect account type, and if you have credit card QIF files, it could be set as checking account. So make sure that this account type is set correctly. QIF files do not have account ID, but QBO files require account ID. Make sure to set account ID as digits only number. And if you convert from multiple accounts, make sure to use different account ID for different accounts. QIF files do not have currency, but QBO files require currency. If you have QuickBooks Canadian edition, US edition, you have to set currency as US dollars. If you have QuickBooks Canadian edition, you can use Canadian dollars or US dollars. If you have account with the currency that is not US, then you have to use another format, for example, IIF format. Click the Convert button to create a QBO file. You can change file location or file name before converting. Now we switch to QuickBooks. Before importing into QuickBooks, make sure to backup your QuickBooks data file so you can quickly roll back to previous state. Select File, Backup, and create backup for your QuickBooks company file. Before importing QBO file, make sure that the account you need to import into is not online connected. If you see that blue icon, it means the account is online services connected, and you have to disconnect it before importing QBO file. To disconnect, right click, select Edit Account, and then click Online Settings and select Not Enabled and Save. The blue icon now removed, you can import a QBO file. Click File, Import, from Web Connect, and select your QBO file. Now you can choose existing account to import into. This account is listed. Make sure the account type is matching the account type you set for the QBO file is matching the account type you have in QuickBooks. QuickBooks will show only checking accounts for the QBO file for checking account. Now you have your data imported. This is downloaded payee name, and you can set vendor record here, you can set expense income account here, and add transactions to the register. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.